Hello, this is Stefan Dykes. In this video I will walk you through the new user features of the 12.8 software release of Axis Body Worn System. We are excited to introduce our latest release, which brings smarter control and clearer visibility to our solution. The following new features will be presented: Local Administrator, Show Assigned User on Camera, Delay Wireless Broadcast after undock, Download System Report, and Microphone Off shows in overlay. We introduce a new role in the system. A local administrator can assist the system administrator with daily tasks such as adding and removing cameras and users, assigning users to cameras, and exporting system logs and reports. To add a local administrator account in Axis Body Worn Manager, go to Settings, System, Accounts. Click Add Account, set a username, and select the local administrator role. Enter a password and click Save. A local administrator ensures daily operations run smoothly without needing the administrator for every routine task. By adding cameras, assign users, and access logs locally, issues can be resolved faster. A local administrator cannot change any camera profiles, system settings, or access add-on services. Show Assigned User on Camera. If a user wants to make sure they grab the camera they are assigned to after, for example, a break, they can press the top button to see the assigned user's name and ID appear on the camera display. Press the top button of the camera to see the assigned user's name and ID. Being able to confirm the assigned user directly on the camera helps avoid mix-ups and saves time. After a break or shift change, the user can quickly verify that they are picking up the correct camera. Delay wireless broadcast after undock. If users regularly make test recordings when they undock their cameras and you don't want to start recordings on nearby cameras due to the tests, you can disable broadcasting for a period of 2 to 30 minutes after undocking. For the setting, go to Camera Profiles, open the camera profile that you want to edit. To make cameras broadcast to activate recording on other cameras, turn on Broadcast Wireless Signal. To avoid activating recording on other cameras immediately after undocking, set the duration to withhold broadcasts in Delay at Undock. By temporarily disabling broadcast triggers after undocking, users can perform test recordings without affecting others. This reduces unnecessary footage and minimizes disruptions. Download System Report. We made it easier to find and download a system report from your Body Worn system. Axis Support uses the system report for troubleshooting. In Body Worn Manager, click on Menu in the top right corner. Click System Report. Download the report. Send the file to Axis Support. Microphone Off shows in overlay. You now automatically get information in the camera overlay if the microphone is turned off. Overlay information is superimposed over the video stream to provide extra information in the recordings. If the camera wearer manually turns off the microphone, it will display Microphone Muted in the overlay. If audio is turned off in the camera profile, the overlay will show Microphone Disabled. If audio is missing from footage, knowing whether it was disabled or muted helps identify the cause quickly. As always, don't forget to dock your camera for new settings to be applied. I hope you found the new features in this video useful. Thank you for watching.